Hey guys, welcome to Mestris YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing a question on fluid pressure and measurement, which was asked in GATE 2017. So let's read the question first. The figure shows a U-tube having a 5 millimeter into 5 millimeter square, 5 millimeter into 5 millimeter square cross section filled with mercury, specific gravity 13.6, up to a height of 20 centimeter in each limb, open to the atmosphere. If 5 centimeter cube of water is added to the right limb, the new height of mercury in the left limb in centimeter up to 2 decimal places. We have a U-tube with 5 millimeter by 5 millimeter square cross section. That is, this cross section right here is 5 millimeter by 5 millimeter, and it's a square cross section. It's a square cross section. Okay, filled with mercury. Initially it is filled with mercury. It's mercury, and the specific gravity is given as of mercury is given 13.6. So up to this mercury is filled up to a height of 20 centimeter as of given here, and it is open to atmosphere. So here it is atmospheric pressure, here also it's acting atmospheric pressure at this point. After that we actually add 5 centimeter cube of water to this U-tube in the right limb. Here in the right limb we add 5 centimeter cube of water. So after adding water we will try to draw this U-tube again. So we have this U-tube. Okay, we have this U-tube, and this thing is the same U-tube. Okay, that's the one. This kind of a good depiction, and let's mark the initial level of mercury with some other color. So let's consider this is the initial level of mercury. So that is, this is 20. This was initially the level of mercury. When water was added, the mercury will be gone above. Yet water is added here in the right limb, so the mercury will be gone above the level here and below the level here. So this will be mercury, and there will be water, no? So water we will denote it by some other color. So this is the added water. So here it's given that they have added 5 centimeter cube of water. So we want the height of the water added. So we know the cross section of this U-tube as 5 millimeter by 5 millimeter. Using that we can find how much will be the height of water if 5 centimeter cube of water is added. It's the volume. So volume is nothing but area into h if area is a constant. So area is given as 5 millimeter into 5 millimeter, but here it is centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter cube is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 1, that's centimeter, into 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 into the height. So from here we will get h is equal to 5 by 0.25. It's nothing but 5 into 4. 5 into 4, that is 20 centimeter. We will get in centimeter because we actually converted everything to centimeters. So this is centimeters, this is centimeters, and this is also centimeters. So once we get the height, we know that this height is 20 centimeter. Then we need to note that the amount of water that is decreased here, it will be the same as the amount of water amount of mercury, it's mercury, right? So the amount of mercury that is decreased here will be the same as the amount of mercury that is increased here. So let's consider that is x. So what we want to find is the new height of the mercury in the left limb. So this is the total height we need to find, and that will be, we know this height is from the from this figure, we know that it's 20. So 20 plus x is the thing that we want to find. So we know this x, so we know these two are equal, so this is also x. Now we need to know how can we actually formulate this and find x. So we need to use the concept that at this point, both this point, the pressure, etc. is same because it's the same level, right? So we can write the pressure here in the left limb as this is totally mercury, right? So we know pressure is nothing but specific weight into height, right? So for mercury here, the pressure exerted at this point will be nothing but gamma of mercury into this height. This height is nothing but 20 plus x. 20 here plus x. This will be this height. So 20 plus x. Let's write 20 plus x. So that is the pressure here. That pressure will be exactly same as the pressure here. So to get the pressure here, we have two liquids. So this is water. This right here is water, and this is water, and this is mercury. So we need to add both pressures. So we have 20 centimeters of water, so 20 into gamma of w plus, so we need to find this height. So what will be that? So this is 20, this is x, so this is nothing but, what is this? This is 20 minus x. So this is 20 minus x. So we have mercury with a height of 20 minus x. So we will write 20 minus x into mercury, so gamma m. So here we know that gamma m, that is specific weight of mercury, is nothing but specific weight of water into specific gravity of mercury. So we will, that is nothing but 9800 into 13.6, that is given here. Okay, 13.6. So that is gamma m. So we substitute it here. So we have, slow down, 9800 into 13.6 into 20 plus x is equal to 20 into gamma w is nothing but 9800 plus 20 minus x. 20 minus x into 13.6 into 9800. You can see that 9800 is common all of these terms, so just cut it out. And after that, we need to find x for x, right? So we will find all unknown variables to one side and calculate this. So here we can see that 13, okay, let's write it. So 13.6 into 20 plus 13.6x is equal to 20 plus 20 into 13.6 minus 13.6x. So we have 20 into 13.6 on both sides, we will cut it out. So this goes to other side, so 27.2x is equal to 20, and x will be equal to 20 divided by 27.2. 0.2. That is, let's take the calculator. Let's take the calculator, and 20 divided by 27.2, which will give us 0.735. So 0.735 centimeters. So what is the thing that we want to find? So they asked the new height of the mercury in the left limb. So we want 20 plus x. So the answer that we should report is 20 plus x, which is equal to 20 plus 0.735. How many decimal points? So 2 decimal point is required. So we will round 35 to 34. So write 20.74. Okay, this much centimeters. So that's our answer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like if you find the video useful, comment for any further clarification, and subscribe to channel so that I can make more videos like this. Peace.